Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 22nd October 2024. We'll dive into the latest happenings surrounding Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. The content here doesn't reflect our opinions, but is a reflection of news items in public media. Alcon Entertainment, the production company behind Blade Runner 2049, has filed a lawsuit against Elon Musk, Tesla, and Warner Bros. Discovery. The lawsuit alleges copyright infringement, claiming that Tesla used AI-generated images inspired by the film to promote its new robotaxi, the Cybercab. Alcon had previously denied permission for such use, citing concerns over Musk's controversial public persona. The case underscores the tension between the film industry and tech companies over intellectual property rights, especially with the rise of AI technology. A recent study published in PS, Political Science and Politics, highlights a decline in academic engagement on Twitter, now known as X, following Elon Musk's acquisition. The study observed a significant drop in activity among academics, particularly verified accounts, after Musk's takeover and policy changes, such as reinstating Donald Trump's account. This shift raises questions about the platform's role as a communication tool for academics and the need for independent, scholarly platforms. Elon Musk's social media platform, X, has updated its terms of service to direct user lawsuits to the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Texas. This change, amid ongoing legal challenges, raises questions about the motivations behind the shift, as the Northern District is perceived as more favorable for conservative interests. Musk's increasing alignment with conservative causes adds complexity to the situation, potentially affecting user engagement and legal recourse. Elon Musk's AI startup, XAI, has launched an API for third-party developers to create applications using its Grok large language models. The API, currently in public beta, aims to compete with OpenAI's offerings, providing versatile capabilities like text and code generation. Despite higher pricing compared to competitors, XAI's API enters a competitive landscape with established players like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google. Elon Musk has launched a petition promoting free speech and the right to bear arms, offering a daily prize of $1 million to voters who sign it until the November 5th election. This initiative targets Trump supporters and raises legal concerns about paying individuals to register to vote. Musk's financial backing of the Trump campaign and public support for Trump highlight his strategic efforts to influence the upcoming election. Elon Musk's influence over the US government is significant, with his companies, particularly SpaceX and Tesla, deeply intertwined with federal agencies. SpaceX is a key player in NASA's rocket launch schedule and the Defense Department's satellite launches. As the 2024 presidential election approaches, Musk's political influence is expected to grow, raising questions about potential conflicts of interest and federal oversight. SpaceX's recent successful fifth test flight of the Starship marks a milestone in interplanetary travel, particularly to Mars. The launch featured the Super Heavy booster being caught by the launch tower, a step towards creating a fully reusable launch vehicle. Elon Musk aims to increase Starship's launch rate, with plans for unmanned missions to Mars by 2026 and potential crewed missions by 2031. These advancements promise to revolutionize space travel and unlock new opportunities for exploration. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories. Join us again tomorrow for more news and insights. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.